Happy World Mental Health Day. It gives me immense pleasure to finally show you a toolkit that I've been working on so closely with 𝙤𝙤 and Unilever. And of course it's this well-being toolkit that I spoke about and posted just earlier. My name is Dr. 𝙒𝙗𝙩𝙤. I'm a dentist, a positive psychologist and founder of 𝙤𝙤. And in today's quick video, I want to show you exactly how you can use this toolkit to thrive, both with patients and at home.
The toolkit features a series of 7 sections. The first one spotlights burnout, breaking down the signs and symptoms, and in the next sections we explore evidence-based burnout prevention strategies by delving into the 𝙤𝙦 framework. This is a key wellbeing model from positive psychology that describes the 6 ingredients that help boost your well-being. The P stands for increasing our diet of positive emotions, the E for engagement, R for nurturing positive relationships, M for meaning, A for accomplishment, and lastly H, which really spotlights lifestyle medicine and healthy living. And then each section onwards delves into each pillar of the 𝙤𝙤. The positive emotion section, for example, spotlights the theory behind how positive emotions not only feel good, they also help to buffer and bolster us against stressors as well as to build resilience. We explore how to boost self-compassion, a positive emotion shown to help prevent burnout and compassion fatigue, as well as boosting thriving. Then the fun really starts with worksheets to help you apply all the key psychological insights in a practical sense. The Developing a Self-Compassionate Inner Voice worksheet helps you to reflect on your inner dialogue and develop a kinder, loving inner voice in the face of dental stresses. The Mindfulness Wellbeing tool helps you to select mindfulness activities that you can try when you're with patients, with your team members or at home. We've also included links to meditation videos that are customised, of course, to the dental profession. Beautifully illustrated and brimming with evidence-based activities to get you feeling happier, more engaged and living a life of meaning. This self-intervention is a fabulous and much needed resource for the profession. I hope you love it as much as I've really loved creating it with 𝙤𝙤.